Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I get my defined puff. So first things first, I'm taking my hair out of its old style and then I am massaging it to promote hair growth. Later on, you guys will see me show you the wild growth oil and the Jamaican black castor oil, where I put that throughout my hair to make sure my hair is growing. And of course, I'm going to massage it to promote hair growth as well. If you guys have not seen my video, please click the link in the description box below so we can grow our hair all summer long. Alright guys, so the only thing that I'm doing, I'm making sure to put my wild growth oil and my Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint inside of my hair. I am massaging it to promote the hair growth, just to make sure that my hair and my ends are moisturized to do this style. Alright, so we're getting started. I'm starting off by molding my hair up. I'm using my Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil one. This is a staple in my collection. All I'm doing is I'm putting it around the perimeter of my head, and then later on you guys will see me put some on my ends so I could define my ends with a brush. Okay, so now that I have the gel throughout the perimeter of my head, I'm going in with my black bristle brush and I am brushing it into the shape that I want. I honestly tend to move it towards the center, but then later on you guys will see me move it towards the front of my head. Now I'm going in with my spray bottle to mist my ends. My ends were kind of dry, so I'm getting them moisturized. You guys see me earlier spray the biotin spray in there to make sure that my hair is growing. And then you guys will see me put a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to go back in with some Eco Styler Gel, and I'm going to define my ends so when I put it up, you guys can see some curls. Okay, so now that I'm done defining my curls, I'm going back in with my black bristle brush. After I'm done with my black bristle brush, I'm going in with a headband. I just took some scissors and I cut it. You guys can go in with a shoelace, but honestly, I only use the headband because there's elastic in it and it helps me, honestly. So with the elastic, I just put it towards the back of my head and I just push it up a little bit so it's easier for me to, you know, make my puff. You guys can go as far as you guys want. I didn't go too far because I wanted my puff to be a little big and then a little, you know, small. Let's just say medium. So yeah guys, after I have my desired size, I'm going to go in and I'm going to knot it. I'm going to do a loose knot so I'll be able to take it out a little later, and then you guys will see me go in with my hands and I will puff it out, and that is it. That is the simple puff. If you have long hair, you guys can definitely make your puffs bigger. If you have short hair, you guys can make your puffs bigger. It's all up to you. I find that with this method, it is easier for any length natural hair. Okay, so now that I'm done with the style, this step is completely optional. I'm trying to see which headband I want to wear. It is summertime, so I'm trying to put some fun to the style. I'm going to go in with my gold headband, you know, match the chain, the jewelry, the earrings. And it's just going to give the hairstyle a little pop, a little fun to it. And that is it, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe this video off to your friends and let them know about Mesha Curlz. This summer, I'm telling y'all, I'm about to come out with the videos. So yeah, share this video off and I will see you guys on Sunday. Have an amazing one and I will see y'all later.